In today's video, I'm going to give you a guide on how you can make money with ChatGPT, which is a brand new app that just came out and you can use it even as a beginner. So I found this crazy AI software and this thing is absolutely insane. Like I said, it's brand new and the name of it is ChatGPT, and a lot of people are talking about this right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can money using ChatGPT. I've been doing business online for many years and I've never seen a so advanced AI software like this. In fact, no one has, because this is the most advanced AI software on the market right now. It is absolutely crazy. Everyone is using it on a daily basis, and the craziest part about this thing is that it is completely free. Anyone can use this in any part of the world without paying a single dime. And the craziest thing about this is that you can use it to make money. Even as a teenager, even as a beginner, you don't have to know anything. So let's start with this step by step. The first thing that I want to do is take you with the basics of this AI software so you understand exactly how it works, and more importantly, I'm going to show you how to make money with this. You're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end because this video is going to be absolutely insane and mind-blowing. This is some crazy next level sci-fi stuff. All right guys, so this is the homepage for ChatGPT and you can completely do this using your phone. It doesn't matter. Now, we're not going to go into every single thing that this thing can do because it is actually very complex. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the most basic way that you can do this even as a beginner to make money online. And this is an insane AI bot that people have recently been using, and they've been using this for many things. For example, if you scroll it to the top here, people have been using it to fix code and a lot of other stuff. But here in their homepage, there's loads of examples of things that it can do. If you click next, you're going to see other things that it can do. And I know this can look pretty intimidating and confusing, but once I show you how this all works, you're going to be, wow, this is so simple. Anyone can use it. It is even easier than using Google. If you can use Google, then this one is for you because it is even easier than Google. And in fact, people are even talking about ChatGPT killing Google, and you can use this for lots of different things. Now, like I mentioned, and as they say here on their webpage, during the research preview, usage of ChatGPT is free. Try it now at chatopenai.com. I don't know if they're going to start charging for this software in the future, but right now you can start using it as of today for free. Now, the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and sign up for the ChatGPT. Now, if you want to find the link for ChatGPT, I will leave the link in the text file in the description of this video, or you can just scan your QR code on the screen right now to go to that text file with all the links and resources that you need to perform this method. Now, I already have an account here, but I will log out my account and I will show you the step-by-step process of what you have to do to be able to sign up for an account with ChatGPT. So let's log out. Now, once you click the link in the text file, you should be heading off to this page right here. All you want to do is click on sign up. Now, once you click sign up, all you have to do here is put your email in and then you click I'm not a robot and click continue. Now, after that, they are going to ask you to create a password and they're going to send you a link to your email, and all you have to do is just open your email. If you don't see the email in your inbox, you will see it in your spam inbox. So just remember to check on that inbox over there if you don't see the email. After you open the email, just click the link and you should be redirected to this page where they're going to ask you to input your first name and last name. So I just wrote down Mr. Reese. After you do that, they're going to ask you for a phone number. It doesn't matter which country you're from. As you can see, they have an arrow here that you can click. When you open it up, it has all the countries in here. You just have to select which country you're from, and then you input your phone number here and then click next. And after that, you should be successfully logged in into ChatGPT. And once you're logged in, it should look like this. It is a very basic screen. You can't even scroll down on the page. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an example of how this actually works. And after that, I'm going to show you an example of how you can make money off of this particular AI software. So this is an example that they give you. As you can see here, examples, capabilities, and limitations. This is an example of what the AI can do. So got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday? So if we go ahead and click on this, what it's going to do is it's going to write it here on the search bar. This is the exact same thing that you would do if you were searching on Google. And after that, all you have to do is either hit enter or just click here on this arrow, and it's going to start writing the ideas for the 10-year-old's birthday. And what it does, it's giving us suggestions, ideas for a birthday party, which is really, really cool. Just let it do its thing. So it's gonna probably write about 10 talking points or 10 ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday. So it actually wrote 5 ideas. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask it to make it longer. Can you make it longer? You can really ask it questions. You can speak to ChatGPT as if you were talking to a normal person. And now it's spitting out more, and it's sure, here are a few more ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday celebration. Or you could ask it to make it shorter. There's so many things that you can do with this specific AI software. So it's now giving us 10 ideas, and it's that easy. We could now go and use this if we wanted to, right? So now I'm going to reset the thread, and I'm going to go back and click here on new chat on the left hand side. So how can you go ahead and make some money with this specific AI bot? So it's actually pretty simple, and in this video I'm going to give you 2 or 3 examples of how you can go ahead and make money with this AI bot. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to Fiverr.com, which is a website that we've covered here before. So once you're here in Fiverr.com, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and search for a service that people would actually buy from you. Now there are hundreds of examples that you can use, but I've actually gone ahead and picked a few here for this video that we're going to use as an example, and I'll have more videos on this specific AI software in the future. So what I did is I went ahead and typed in product description into Fiverr, and what we're going to do is we can go ahead and get this chatbot to create these descriptions for us, and we can actually sell them on Fiverr.com. So if you look over here, you're going to see that people are actually selling these specific e-commerce store product descriptions. So what that means is people go to them and say, hey, I got a product like a tent or a fishing rod on my store, and I need you to write a description for me. Very basic thing to do, but you might not know how to write a description. You might not even like to spend time doing it. So what you can do is you can actually use this AI software to do it for you, and you can actually sell it on Fiverr. So let me show you a quick example, and then we'll come back to this. So what I can do here is I can type something like camping tent description for online store, and I just hit enter, and the AI software has gone ahead and written this product description for me. Now what you could do here is you could take this, edit it out a little bit, make it a little better, or you could just ask the AI software to make it longer. Or you can do things, can you make it more informal, or can you make it less informal? Can you make it more professional sounding? There's so many different variations that you can actually do to make a product description. I'm actually just showing you the actual basics of this that you can go through and mess with it if you like. Now just take a look at all of the stuff that it's writing for you. Experience in the great outdoors in the comfort and style with our top of the line camping tent. Designed with the needs of the modern camping in mind, this tent offers a range of features that will make a trip both enjoyable and hassle-free, and it's making an extremely useful version of a description for us that we can go ahead and use it. So what we could do now is we could literally start a service on Fiverr selling product descriptions, and this is a very easy way for you to go out and make money using this AI software bot right now. You could just start literally doing it right now while you're watching this video. And as you can see, these people here are actually making money. So if we just click on this person right here, this person here has 3,734 5-star reviews. This seller has many repeated buyers, and she has 3 packs, a basic which is $75, standard which is $140, and a premium which is $275. This is 10 product descriptions for $275, and I literally just wrote a product description using this software. And then we have standard and we have basic, so you could definitely go ahead and make money using product descriptions. Now another way that you can make money using this software is another favorite of mine, because I actually wrote a few blog articles myself, and I know that this AI software is really good at doing so. And using this AI bot, you can actually sell full articles online. So I'll show you an example right now. If you go back to AI ChatGPT and you ask it to write a blog post, let's ask it to write an article about YouTube Shorts. Write a 1,500 word article about YouTube Shorts. You can even be very specific with this chatbot, and it is now writing our article, and it just gave us a full complete 1,500 word article, and it is not limited to 1,500 words. As you can see, can you make it longer? Certainly. Here is an expanded version of the article. This is so mind-blowing. It is crazy that this tool is even free. If you're a student, if you're a beginner, if you're a minor, if you're underage and you can't make money online, this is a perfect, literally perfect opportunity for you right now. It's writing an entire article right in front of your eyes right now that you can use to just sell and make money online. So it is pretty insane that it just wrote a huge entire article for me that I could just copy here, go back to Fiverr, post a job here on Fiverr, selling entire articles, and whatever it is the case, whatever it is the topic that someone would come to looking for on my specific gig on Fiverr, I could just come here to the ChatGPT AI bot and ask it to do it for me, and it would literally write one for me, whatever count word that I wanted, in seconds. And these articles are actually optimized, SEO optimized, that you can sell to people that are looking for articles. As you can see, this guy here is selling articles for $225. This lady here is selling for $35, which is the cheapest one, and she has multiple packages. Basic, standard $50, and a premium, which is $65, 1,500 word article, SEO optimized, well researched, 100% authentic. That is exactly what we just wrote. She has 8 orders in queue and 244 5-star reviews. This is just the perfect opportunity for anyone to make money online. And honestly, if you watch one of my previous videos, which I showed ChatGPT, it wrote a code for my landing page. And if you go here on Fiverr and you search for landing page code, you're going to see that people are selling the code for landing pages for starting at $15 to $40. And if I wanted to, I could just go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT, and it would generate a code for my landing page, and I could just use that code, copy and paste it, and sell it to someone that's trying to build a code for any specific thing on their landing pages to make sales. So write a countdown timer code for my landing page that ends in January 1st, 2023. And as you can see, right before our eyes, it is writing the code, which is just so insane. It's so crazy. That is something that I never learned how to do myself because it's really, really hard to do. And it's something that you can easily sell anywhere in the world and make money with this. And now it is done. It even explains to you what it does, how to use it. And you could just literally copy the code here, go back to Fiverr, set up a gig, and sell it to other people. Now, I made another video explaining how you can use this to make money with YouTube Shorts. Now, starting in January 2023, you don't have to be on camera, you don't have to make videos, you don't have to script the videos, you don't have to do the voiceovers, you don't even have to make them AI music now. So if you want to learn all of these things directly from me, go ahead and check out YouTuber Pro. The link is in the description. I will show you all the hacks, tips, and tricks that I use on my YouTube channel to go from 0 to 200,000 subscribers in less than 6 months, and also went from 0 to more than $40,000 every single month just from ad revenue alone. So if you want to learn how you can potentially do the same, go ahead and check out YouTuber Pro. Link is in the description. I'll see you inside, and don't forget to comment ChatGPT in the comments of this video so that I know you watched the video until the end. And if you want to learn how to use all of this automated, to be able to use this ChatGPT to do video scripts and do automated YouTube channels that generate you money while you sleep, go ahead and click the video on your screen.